So we've come down this road on the way to meet some mates. And these bulls are having a bit of a fight. How are you going to get around the bull?
I don't know a minute, because they're fighting.
Don't beep them, man.
No.
Yeah, there's a little calf there, look. I wonder if they were having a bit of a dispute over there.
There's definitely a dispute going down.
Yeah, he just pushed him into the road.
Yeah, but I don't want him to be backed up even more.
Oh, they've settled it now. Oh no.
No.
And there they go.
They're at it again.
Oh dear. Should we go and try and put this on the van, guys?
Yeah. I know.
Do you think Daddy's going to go crazy when he sees these on?
Of course he will. Probably does. Look at that mountain.
Oh, I don't think... Oh, it's not going to work.
How?
Right, there's his nose.
Put it here. I think they're here.
Hang on. Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, he's not going to like this, is he?
No.
Got a nose, right? Where? How do we do the antlers? So I've got the antlers on. That's brilliant. And he's got his nose. The problem I've got now is if I shut that door, it's not going to stay on, is it?
No.
Oh, it's not. Is there another way we can do it? Has anyone else successfully managed to turn their motorhome into a reindeer with an overhead cab? Because now I'm wondering, I can't shut that door, can I? Unless we we could put the windows down.
That's what I said. I was looking at
We're just going to get wet though every time. Yeah. Hang on then, we'll see what we can do. I could put them like that. Like if the window comes down. Is there a way of it going on you?
Maybe.
Oh, that's not fair.
We still try.
I don't think it's going to work.
So in tonight's episode, we are with two little campers. Just got to Malvern and we're about to go for a walk, so let's go have a look.
Oh, how long did it take?
We've already just started this walk, she's already out the path.
I'm old.
This is where we're at. Malvern just down there, so we're up on Malvern Hills.
And Daddy? Daddy?
Yes? What's this? What is it, babe? Oh, it's a helicopter.
So up in the air.
Shall I do it now? You ready? Hey! Oh, can't see it. Alright, come on then, let's keep going. They're waiting for us. That's where we're going, love. That big hill.
I think it's ridiculous.
You out of breath, then?
Yeah.
I don't know about you out of breath. I'm out of breath, to be fair.
a mild walk, I thought. So I put my Ugg boots on. And
Here we are, mountain climbing.
I've climbed, I've fallen over, I've got dirty muddy hands. The children look miserable, but we're quite close.
Right, come on.
So, this picture of my son is literally how I feel. How far have we walked, Oliver?
Look down there.
Yeah. So, if you can see the mountain over there, we thought that would be the top. And actually, we've had to walk all this way. And it's actually not there, up there. So we're all feeling a bit fed up.
I better get whatever I want for 48 hours.
Whatever you want.
Yeah.
Well, I think you've done well already this morning, buddy. Come on, squeals, not far to go. But what a stunning view. Everyone else looks really like calm and collected. And then it's like me and the kids who are always out and about, and we're suffering. The wind is icy, mind.
Blooming hell, it's windy.
It's not pleasant.
Look at that. Yeah, we're gonna have to head back down. It's cold.
Yeah,
it is
look how
very windy.
windy it is. Look at my hood. I'm like the ghost of Christmas past. So those mountains, oh sorry, they're hills. We've established earlier that they're hills.
Yeah, anything below, what was it, 2,000 feet?
Yeah. If it's 2,000 feet above sea level, then it's classed as a mountain. But these are the Malvern Hills, and we were just on top of
The one on the left.
that, not that big one, but there.
No, the one to the left up behind the house.
Oh, so the one that I can't actually show you.
Okay, let's go.
Toot toot.
I nearly tooted him.
Okay, so just behind this house here, up there.
I'm sure we'll be able to show him in a bit.
Oh, it was nippy.
Yeah, it's not a cold day, and it's not particularly windy either, but as we got up on top of there, the wind was blowing and it was icy. Proper icy, wasn't
But
it?
we were like halfway up, and I was ready to turn around, and we were like, oh no, we're committed now. But yeah, you can see them there just behind these houses, and we were on top of that looking down at Malvern.
Yeah.
And it was pretty, it was nice. But I'll be glad to go and have a hot chocolate now and get cosy. So we're just heading to, I want to say a site, but I don't actually think it is a site. It's the Malbrook Inn, so should have been a country pub, now turned into an authentic Indian cuisine restaurant. So we've got a table booked there later. So yeah, we'll let you know what it's like.
Well, we're on our way there now, and we were about 10 minutes away. So it's a site, I think Claire and David, I nearly said Andy then. So Claire and David have booked it. So if it's bad, I'm blaming you guys. That'll be fine. I'm looking forward to it actually. They've booked us a table for tonight. There's supposed to be a very nice Indian here.
I just said that.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I'll repeat then. I'm driving, see?
Just goes to show the man, but doesn't listen to me.
Nothing new there then.
Yeah, so we'll have an Indian and then hopefully a glass or two of wine. Looking forward to it. Okay, that's not bad. Can you get in by there though? Or do we go, no, I think we go where that blue car is coming from.
I don't.
Yeah, because it's behind.
It's not, is it? What pictures are we?
4 and 5.
Caravans and camping.
Bit snug, innit?
Yeah.
Is there a park here?
7.
Oh, they're marked out blue, 4 and 5 together. So I'd say we take that one away from the tree.
The right one, yeah?
Yeah, I would.
Tree base.
We'll have to, because that's quite a low tree.
Right, okay. Boss that.
Nice! I just found the kids playing football, but they're so cute because they're not supposed to have. They've taken the flags and made themselves goal posts, but they've been playing lovely for a good half an hour and it's absolutely Baltic out here. Fair play to them, burning all their energy.
Michael, Dexter, it didn't go out completely. No!
Oh, so close!
Again! Ah!
Here's the Queen, just had her face done, looking all beautiful, ready to go out this evening. Where are we going, babe? Can you remember? No, it's just going to a pub, aren't we? We're going to do little campers. Now sit down there, we're going to get your hair done. Beautiful she is. There we are. Do you want to inspect Mummy's handiwork? Want to show everybody what you've had done? What colours you chose?
This and
What colour? You had a bit of purple and a bit of white and a bit of pink, didn't we? We shoved a bit of glitter on, didn't we, for a bit of good measure as well? Oh dear. No! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Yeah. So this is sharing a bottle of wine at its finest.
Mum, look what I got! Mum, look what I got!
I don't know.
Look what I got!
And this, folks, is why I don't share wine.
Mum, look at my drink mug.
Lovely.
Mum, I got wine.
Wow, that's a lemon. I've got a large glass of Malvern. They did try and flog me the bottle, so I actually had about a quarter of a glass free, didn't I? So we're happy. Anyway, guys, cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers. Lovely to meet you all.
Yeah, you too.
And this is our little celebration, so...
And this is my celebration.
Yeah. So what are we celebrating then?
We got to 1,000 subs, didn't we?
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very
And
much.
what a lovely, lovely couple as well. They're just so genuine and funny, and they appear to think that I don't know what a lake is as well, which I'm really touched at the level of sarcasm.
And David hasn't got a gun pointed at me under the table. They're genuinely really nice people.
So yeah, we're out having an Indian this evening with the two little campers. If you haven't seen them before, please go over to their channel and check them out. They're just really, really lovely.
Link in the description.
Link in the description. Yeah. So yeah, that's us. So we're going now because we want to enjoy our dinner.
You as well. Thank you.
Subscribe to us as well, Ben.
Yeah.
Look what I got.
The kids are just about to have a dinner as well. So cheers, everybody.
Look what I got.
Oh my God. It's going up. What's happening this morning, love?
So I put it out.
Wouldn't let me put it up yesterday, apparently it was too windy.
Yeah, it seems to be. It's still a bit breezy today, but it's definitely a bit more chill today than what it was yesterday. So I'm like, right, I'll put it out then.
What's for breakfast?
Bacon and sausage.
Nom nom nom. So we've finished the van off and made some extra paper chains for our hangy things. I'm not allowed to use any sellotape, the man but said absolutely not. So he's currently BAP delivery. Who doesn't like a good BAP in the morning?
Good morning.
Good morning. Unprepared. It's windy. It's a bit rainy.
It is windy. Luckily, the trees are giving us a bit of shelter.
But yeah, that looks delish, fair play. I love it when the man but gets his Kadak out. I genuinely do though.
Yeah, I know. It means you're not cooking.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like I come out of my funky slippers.
Oh God.
Everyone's going to be wanting a pair of these now.
Yeah, okay.
The class.
But yeah, it was quite a nice peaceful sight. It was alright, wasn't it? Was it Marland?
Malbrook Inn. The food was nice in the restaurant, although I did wake up in the middle of the night to the wind and the rain. That kept me awake for a good few hours. Dude, he's a good man. Thanks, babe.
There you go. So I'm here with the two little campers. Hey, Dave.
Hello.
Not very talk. Oh, he is there.
Sorry, did I mess up your video?
So, guys, that was our weekend away. We were in Malvern, had a cracking time with this crazy pair and their dogs. Do you have a good time, guys?
Yeah, we've had a amazing time, haven't we?
Had better, to be fair. No. You opened yourselves up to that.
Yeah.
No, we've absolutely loved it. These guys are cracking.
We've had lots of laughs, haven't we?
Yeah, I even learned what a lake was.
But we hope you enjoyed it and thanks for following on our adventures. We'd also have a shout out to Joe, our waiter from last night at the Indian restaurant.
Cheers, Joe.
Cracking waiter.
brilliant.
Good job, Joe. We enjoyed the food. Your service was great. If you haven't already, please remember to hit subscribe.
Like, comment.
What else they got
And
to do?
enjoy!
Oh, and subscribe to us as well.
Two little campers. But until next time, guys, see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.